Hello, road-bound dreamers. Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, your premier pre-owned RV dealer, where luxury meets the open road. We're ecstatic to unveil a pristine, CARFAX one-owner 2018 Fleetwood Discovery LXE 38K with just 12,000 miles, priced at an irresistible $162,900. This 38-foot Class A diesel pusher, built on a robust Freightliner XCM chassis, boasts the upscale 38K floor plan with 3 massive slide-outs and 1.5 baths, comfortably sleeping up to 6. Adorned in Fleetwood's dazzling Dorado full-body paint package, this RV captivates the eye, powered by a formidable Cummins diesel engine. Join us for an immersive tour to discover every premium feature of this extraordinary deal. Let's begin with the exterior, where the 2018 Discovery LXE 38K exudes sophistication. The Dorado paint scheme, with its high-gloss, vibrant finish, ensures this coach shines at every destination. Spanning 38 feet, it's built on a heavy-duty Freightliner XCM chassis with full air brakes and air ride suspension, delivering a smooth, commanding ride on any journey. At its core, a 6.7-liter Cummins ISB diesel engine pumps out 360 horsepower and 800 foot-pounds of torque, paired with an Allison 3000 6-speed automatic transmission with electronic shifting for effortless performance. Updated 2025 tires all-around guarantee road-ready reliability. The durable fiberglass construction and seamless roof provide lasting protection against the elements, ensuring comfort in any climate. The exterior is brimming with high-end features to elevate your camping experience. Full pass-through basement storage compartments, complete with a slide-out tray, offer abundant space for outdoor gear, from camping equipment to sports accessories. An exterior entertainment center, featuring a 32-inch TV, speakers, and stereo, creates an ideal setup for outdoor movie nights or tailgating with friends. Girard power patio awning, power door awning, and slide toppers provide shade and style, transforming any campsite into a welcoming retreat. One-touch 4-point automatic hydraulic leveling jacks ensure quick, stable setup, while rear and side view cameras with an in-dash monitor make navigation in tight spaces a cinch. A 10,000-pound trailer hitch allows you to tow a vehicle or trailer with ease. Powering your adventures is seamless with this RV's top-tier systems. The Onan 8.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator, housed on a slide-out service tray with only 150 hours of use, provides robust off-grid power for remote getaways. A 50-amp service with a power cord reel, Magnum inverter charger, and battery disconnects ensure efficient energy management. 3 roof-mounted AC units with heat pumps, paired with dual furnaces, keep you comfortable year-round, while the Truma tankless hot water heater delivers endless hot water on demand. The Dirt Devil central vacuum system and ceramic tile flooring throughout add convenience and a touch of luxury to every trip. Step inside, and the 38K floor plan unfolds as a spacious upscale haven. 3 enormous slide-outs create a roomy interior with an 84-inch ceiling height, sleeping up to 6. perfect for families or groups seeking premium travel. The layout features a king-size bed in the rear master bedroom, a jackknife sectional sleeper sofa, and a large U-shaped dinette that converts into additional sleeping space. The middle living room area is a cozy gathering spot with a huge L-shaped sectional sleeper sofa, a 50-inch TV, and an electric fireplace with heat, ideal for relaxing or entertaining. A 32-inch TV above the front seats adds extra viewing options, while the high-gloss cabinetry and ceramic tile flooring create a refined residential ambiance. The front kitchen is a culinary masterpiece designed for effortless meal preparation. It's equipped with a stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer, an induction stovetop, a microwave convection oven, and a residential sink and faucet, perfect for everything from quick meals to gourmet dinners. The rare dishwasher option and extendable countertop make this kitchen a standout, while ample cabinetry keeps everything organized. Let's recap the standout features of this remarkable RV. The 38K floor plan, with 3 slide-outs and 1.5 baths, offers a luxurious interior that sleeps 6 with ease. The Cummins ISB engine and Freightliner XCM chassis deliver powerful, reliable performance, while the Onan generator and 50-amp service support off-grid living. Premium amenities like the exterior entertainment center, dishwasher, tankless hot water heater, and Dorado paint package elevate both style and functionality. At just $162,900, this 2018 Fleetwood Discovery LXE 38K with only 12,000 miles is a phenomenal value for a one-owner diesel pusher. Picture yourself exploring the open road in this 2018 Fleetwood Discovery LXE 38K, from scenic national parks to tranquil lakeside campsites with your family or friends. The 1.5 bath setup is a game changer, with a private half bathroom featuring a sink, vanity, toilet, and power vent fan for convenience, and a full-width rear bathroom with a large shower enclosure, glass doors, skylight, sink, vanity, toilet, and power vent fan for a spa-like experience. A stackable washer and dryer ensures laundry is a breeze on extended trips. The rear master bedroom is a plush sanctuary, crafted for ultimate relaxation. The king-size bed offers supreme comfort, paired with a 32-inch TV, wardrobe closets, and drawer storage for all your belongings. The slide-out creates a spacious, open feel, while stylish window treatments enhance the warm, inviting atmosphere. Imagine gathering around the U-shaped dinette for a meal, cozying up by the electric fireplace, or retreating to the king-size bed after a day of adventure. This RV combines the elegance of a luxury home with the freedom of travel, and the Dorado exterior ensures you make a grand entrance wherever you go. With its low mileage and upscale features, every journey will be a cherished memory. Let's dive into why this Discovery LXE is a top pick. Fleetwood's craftsmanship shines in the 84-inch ceiling height, ceramic tile flooring, and high-end finishes, creating a spacious, modern interior. Safety features like the rear and side view cameras and air brakes provide peace of mind, while the cockpit's ergonomic design and in-dash monitor make driving a pleasure. From the central vacuum system to the washer-dryer, this RV is built for convenience and luxury, ready to elevate your travel experience. Ready to make this stutter yours? Priced at just $162,900, This 2018 Fleetwood Discovery LXE 38K is a rare opportunity to own a low-mileage, fully loaded diesel pusher. Call us at 864-260-9276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit www.portersrvsales.com to learn more or book a test drive. The team at Porters RV Sales is ready to get you rolling in this incredible coach. Thank you for joining us for this captivating walk-around of the 2018 Fleetwood Discovery LXE 38K. Check out more RV tours on our YouTube channel, Porters RV Sales. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. With its 3 slide-outs, premium amenities, and unbeatable price, this coach is a must-see. Call us today at 864-260-9276 or visit portersrvsales.com to claim this 2018 Discovery LXE 38K.